Hey friends, we're going to turn to page 69 in our workbook now, and we're going to start on the letter B. Okay, this is lowercase b. I want you to watch me as I write lowercase b. I start up at the top, and I dive down. And then after I dive down, I swim up and over. Then after I swim down and up and over, I'm going to go around the bump. And that is our lowercase b. B is for backpack. I want you to practice tracing the lowercase b with me using your finger. And I want you to say these steps with me. Okay, so get your finger and practice dive down, all the way down. And then once we dive down, we're going to swim back up about halfway and over. And then we're going to, after we dive down and swim up about halfway and over, we're going to go all the way around the bump and connect it back to the line. Okay, so now I want you to help practice writing with me. As always, we're going to start with our capital B that you can see here in the gray box. So we're going to practice. We have our starting circle or our starting point that you can see. And we're going to go all the way down, jump back up to our starting point, one bump, two bumps, and that is our capital B, or our uppercase B. Now we're going to practice our lowercase b. And you can either pause the video, and you can take your time writing it, or you can go along with me. If I'm moving too fast, you can pause it at any time. Okay, so we have our starting point or our starting circle you can see right there at the top. So we're going to swim down, or dive down, I'm sorry. Swim about halfway up, around the bump, and connect them. Okay, now we're going to practice on our own. So we're going to dive down, swim back up about halfway, swim over and around the bump and connect them. And that is our lowercase b. And I want you to finish yours while I finish mine. All right, you guys are doing so great. Look at all those B's. Now it's time to write and check our lowercase b. As you can see, we don't have a starting point for this letter, so I want to see if you can practice without that starting point. But if you need it, that's okay. You can go ahead and add it. So we're going to try without. Dive down. Swim up about halfway, over, around the bump, connect them. If your B looks like their B, you can go ahead and give a check. Perfect job, friends.